This video presents ideas in teaching a child on how to draw curved lines. If you are a parent who wanted to develop your child's fundamental skills for writing, or a teacher who needed materials to guide parents and helping their child to develop pre-writing skills, this video episode will benefit you. Good day, everyone! In our previous episode, we introduced on how to guide a child in understanding and drawing several positions of straight lines. This time, we will gain ideas on how to guide a child in understanding and drawing curved lines. Come, join me in its journey with this instructional video. Welcome to Teacher Art, an educational channel where you can find tutorial helps for parents and learning resource designing ideas for teachers. In our previous episode, we have introduced on how to guide a child in drawing various positions of straight lines. Before your child could do writing, he or she needs to develop hand flexibility and dexterity. He or she needs this in order to grasp properly writing materials and manipulate it to write properly and clearly letters, words, and numbers. In this episode, we need to have the following materials: pencil, bond papers, and curved or rounded objects such as jar caps or coins. To start with, recall for the child the different positions of straight lines. Guide the child in recalling the activities he engaged in during the study of the positions of straight lines. Say to the child that vertical lines are lines in standing position. This follows the line direction from top to bottom or bottom to top. Horizontal lines are lines in lying position, which follows the direction from left to right or right to left. Inclined lines are lines in slanting position, which follows the line direction from upper left down to the lower right or from lower left up to the upper right. Let us work on the concept by using concrete examples that can be seen inside or outside the house or around the community. This time, me and my grandson Kian visited our local novelist church. In this site, I have shown to him the following: curved arc of the belfry passage, the arch door entrance and the door frame, the curved pavement leading to the church, as well as the arc old grotto. You may also let him see the different curved or rounded shapes found at home, such as plates, cups and saucers, jars and jar covers, coins, and many others. After providing examples of curved shapes seen around, we bring his experiences with these objects as our basis for him to understand the concept so that he can draw curved lines. Now, introduce to the child that curved lines are lines which constantly change its direction. Recall the concept of straight lines as the shortest distance between 2 points, thus the line does not change its direction. Then contrast it to the concept of curved line, which is a line that changes its direction. With pieces of paper, rounded items such as jar covers, saucers, or coins, and of pencils, we can start the line drawing activity. We will use these 3 steps for the activity: the guided mechanical drawing, the guided freehand drawing, and the independent freehand drawing. To start, using bond paper, pencil, and coins or jar cups, draw curved lines as an example for the child. Guide the child by holding his arms, left hand with the curved or rounded objects, and right hand with a pencil in drawing curved lines. Ensure to position the paper in relation to his body and draw the lines considering also the edge of the paper. You may accompany the drawing by repeating the name of the line, say curved line, every time you assist him in drawing the line. Do this several times. Then, we will put put aside the rounded object and draw new set of curved lines. This time, it is a guided freehand. Let him release the objects from his left hand and assist him by holding his writing arm. Then, guide him to illustrate the curved line. Let the child do this several times. When done with a guided freehand activity, you may let him do the drawing independently. Before we allow him to do it by himself, prepare curved lines which are illustrated lightly and made up of broken lines. You may use the coins or jar cups as guide in designing this worksheet. For the child's independent freehand activity, we will let him connect the broken curved lines to come up with his curved line. Without holding his writing arm, but still with your instruction and guidance, let him draw the curved lines by connecting the broken lines on the worksheet you have prepared. Let him finish the task with you motivating him. When done, we will prepare him for more practice on curved lines. This is to improve his grasps and wrist movement. Prepare a worksheet made up of broken curved lines, which curve in various orientation, curving up, curving down, curving left, and curving right. Then, let him do the activity. You may give him another exercise. The exercises on loops, small or big circles, uppercase S, C, or O. Exercises are necessary in developing your child's fine motor skills. In this activity, the fine motor skills you are developing include the hand movement, like the grasping of the pencil, on how he manipulates it, such as drawing the curved lines. Another fine motor skills you are developing is his eye coordination to his arms, which is finally manifested in his performance in doing lines required. Congratulations! Our next video will help you in letting your child experience on how to write the letters of the alphabet. See you in our next episode! If you have seen this video of value to you, please give this a thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon and have access to more videos by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the bell below.